Welcome back. Today we are going to look at identity operator, which will be our last topic for the operators. Okay, so what is identity operators? It used to compare the memory locations of two objects. Okay, so we'll see one by one. So let me comment this out for now. A equal to 25. That means variable A is holding value 25. B equal to A. What we are doing here? We are assigning the memory location of A to B also. That means B will also store the value 25. Clear? So we will run this and see. You can see you got the answer 25. Why 25? Because the value of A was 25. So we give the address of A to B. So therefore B will also hold the value of A, that is 25. This is the first case. Second case, for example, here you can see Z equal to 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have some random values for Z. If A is Z, okay, so this is your identity operator. Just remember this is. Whenever we talk about the identity operator, we use is operator. Okay, whereas in membership operator we use in. You can see in and not in. Whereas in identity we use is. Okay, so coming back to the topic, Z equal to 1 to 3, some random values. If A is Z, that means if the memory location of A is equal to Z, we are checking here. If the memory location, what this line means, if the memory location is same for A and Z, if the memory location is same, then it will print true. It will say yes, the memory location is same, the value will be same. If the memory location is not same, it will be printing us false. Okay, since we have not assigned us Z equal to A, therefore it will be not same. Okay, so when I run this, you can see you get false. Why false? Because the memory location of A and Z is different. So this is your identity operators. How it works? It works by checking the memory locations, fine, and the keyword used for identity is. Okay, just remember this point. So this is for your identity operators. Okay, we have completed the operators. So we'll see the next topic in the next class. Thank you.